Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video we have a 3-day video. On day 1 I am just going to start off with cleaning these pigs' cage. Their hammocks need to be washed, the cage needs to be obviously cleaned, and I'm going to vacuum a little bit around the cage, just to kind of freshen up everything. I just want to quickly put in there, if you hear some tapping or clicking, I am doing my voiceover at night and my husband is right beside me playing his game and he is aggressively tapping his keys.
Everybody, 'cause you know we got it, chemistry.
So how I clean their hammocks and everything, I just put it in this red bucket, and with some hot water I use the Dawn dish soap and I kind of just let them soak. I let them soak for a couple minutes, and I'd say about like 30 minutes, and then I wring them out, change the water, and I do that process again for a second time. And then at the third time, I kind of just rinse them off just a little bit more, and I just let them air dry. I let them air dry overnight, and then by the next day they are completely dry enough for me to put them back inside their cage.
It's coming over me. It's everywhere I see. It feels like ecstasy. Our chemistry surrounds me. Wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody, 'cause you know we got it, chemistry. I get all around me. I get chemistry. I get you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price.
feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make.
So here we are on the second day, and literally this day I'm just putting their hammocks back in, because again it takes a couple days for them to be completely dry. So we're just going to put those back in, and clearly I have to fill up their hay again. I have to fill up their food again, and yeah, they just go through everything so fast, so I had to refreshen all of that quick.
Caught by surprise by you, want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good.
On this third day, I am going to literally clean up the whole downstairs. So I am starting off in the kitchen. Disclaimer, don't mind my husband. He got all up in my camera. So you will be seeing him for a little bit. But I am just going to get these dishes done. I am going to clean up around our desks. I'm going to clean the bathrooms, the dining area or / living area, and then I am going to sweep the whole entire floor.
I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you, want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter the same old town. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay, if you stay, oh, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. It's time that we put out the fire. With every breath I breathe you out, we just can't take it any higher. It's only fair we let each other go without. Though this is hard to admit, I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't wanted to say it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't wanted to say it, but we've lost touch.
Okay guys, so we are reaching the end of this video. I am just finishing up sweeping, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this downstairs cleaning motivation. It definitely needed to get done. I probably could have did it in one day, but I honestly, I'm getting tired with how big this belly is getting, so I just stretched it out and gave myself some breaks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you are not subscribed yet, I really hope you consider, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.